from Mumbai now, where the police have busted a kidney racket at a top hospital in the city. CEO of the hospital, along with 4 other doctors, have already been arrested in connection with the kidney racket case, which was busted last month. Sindhu is tracking details on the story. Let's go across to her now on the phone line. Sindhu, this is, of course, a top hospital in the city, which is involved here in a kidney racket. Tell us the latest in terms of investigations, apart from the fact that the CEO and 4 doctors have been arrested.
Yes, this case was busted nearly a month ago on July 14th when the Mumbai police went, when a kidney transplant was happening. It was revealed that the patient who was supposed to receive the kidney from his wife, turned out the woman who was posing as his wife was not actually his relative, and that she was paid to donate him the kidney. It was also revealed that all the officers and the doctors, medical staff of the hospital might be involved in the case, and the main person, the transplant coordinator of the hospital, Nilesh Kamble, was revealed to have overlooked all the forged documents which the patients were presenting at that time. According to the rules, it is not permissible to receive a kidney by a patient from someone who is not a relative. That is how the case was busted by the Mumbai police on the basis of the tip-off. Right now, this is perhaps the first time that the CEO of a hospital, that's that senior medical staff, have been arrested by the police in a transplant racket. Now, the Mumbai police wants to find out, just the way Nilesh Kamble had received money to overlook the forged documents, did the CEO who has been arrested in the case and other senior medical staff also receive such monetary gains in this kidney racket?
Okay, Sindhu, just stay with us. In fact, like you mentioned that this kidney racket was actually busted at the hospital last month on the complaint of an individual, and we have the reaction from the complainant. Let's take a listen to that.
जब हम लोगों ने 14 जुलाई को जब इस किडनी रैकेट को ओपन किया, तभी सिर्फ एजेंट लोग अरेस्ट हो रहे थे और हम तभी से दावा कर रहे थे कि डॉक्टर भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है, क्योंकि बिना एजेंट डॉक्टर के मिली भगत से इतना बड़ा ट्रांसप्लांट किडनी कहीं हॉस्पिटल में नहीं हो सकता है। और एक कोर्ट का ऑर्डर और पुलिस का वेरीफाई होता है, डॉक्टर को खुद पता होता है कि किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट का एक्ट है। 1994 में किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट का एक्ट आया हुआ है, जिसमें माँ बाप भाई बहन एक खून का रिश्ता ही ट्रांसप्लांट कर सकता, बाकी नहीं। डॉक्टर ने अनदेखी की, तो हम लोगों ने तभी से सब पुलिस वालों को कहा था कि डॉक्टर इसमें इन्वॉल्व है। कैसा किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट जो किया जा रहा है मैक्सिमम गरीब गाँव से, सर गुजरात अभी अब खुलने में आया, गुजरात, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, चेन्नई, और भी इसका इंटरनेशनल तार श्रीलंका, इंडोनेशिया निकला है। तो एक गरीब गांव को टारगेट करते हैं, जो गरीब होता है उसको पैसे का लालच देके 20-25 लाख का उसको देते 1 से 2 लाख रुपए, और बोलते जो करना कर, वो बेचारा कुछ कर नहीं पाता। और ये रैकेट सिर्फ मुंबई के और टॉप मोस्ट हॉस्पिटल में नहीं चल रहा है।
All right, we'll continue tracking that.